In today's episode, we're going to talk about Facebook pages for businesses and why Facebook isn't there just to watch funny cat videos. Put 3 minutes on the clock and let's get straight into it. 2 billion people have signed up to Facebook and over 1 billion people use it every single day. It's a platform that cannot be ignored, and I don't want to hear the excuse, I have a website, I don't need a Facebook page. Or actually, for those of you that say, I have a Facebook page, I don't need a website, a successful strategy in 2018 needs both. Facebook provides you an amazing opportunity to cheaply target your most profitable customers. But before we get into that, we'll do that in a later episode. Today is about helping you get set up with a professional looking Facebook page so you can really get the most out of it. Consistent branding. Now, we spoke about branding in episode 1, and this is where it really starts to take effect. Your website is now looking professional, your logo has an icon, you need to take that icon and upload it as your avatar on Facebook. When you create a post on Facebook, this is what shows up next to your posts. We want customers to start to recognize that and start to trust that brand. Secondly is your Facebook header. Now this is a great opportunity to let customers know exactly what you do or what you're working on, or if you have any special offers running. Now the biggest mistake we see people make is not think about that on a mobile compared to a desktop. There's a safe area on that header that you need to think about. If you've got a designer or anyone that can help you, or email us and we're more than happy to give you a hand, go and check out what your Facebook header looks like on a mobile compared to a desktop computer. Third thing you need to do is add a call to action on your page. Now this is a great opportunity to take people from Facebook to your website. There's a CTA, which stands for call to action button, that you can apply in your Facebook settings. Change that to a contact us or a services link or to your reviews on your website to get them across to your website. And in the next episode, we'll talk about the Facebook pixel and why that's super important to do. So now you've got a Facebook page looking very professional, clear call to action. You're probably thinking, what on earth do I now post on this Facebook feed? Now, what you can't post or shouldn't post, because it's really boring, is a photo of every boiler and your perfect pipework. That gets really boring very quickly. What you do need to do is share with people how you are building your business. Connect them with you. Show them behind the scenes stuff. Show them how you're fetching stuff from a builder's merchant. Show how late you work when you're doing quotes and invoices, or when you go above and beyond for customers on late call-outs. That's the stuff that makes you personable, that's what builds trust, and that's what builds brands. And before we wrap up on this video, there's 2 things I want to make sure that you do not do. 1, post personal opinions around stuff like religion, around stuff like current affairs. That is for your personal Facebook page. Never ever post this onto your business page. Why? You are going to very quickly annoy some of your potential customers. Keep that stuff personal. Keep your business page professional. And secondly, don't go and ask all your friends in Gas Chat or any other Facebook group to like your page. Here's why. When you post something, Facebook only shows it to a small amount of people that like your page. What you want those people to be is extremely targeted potential customers. Otherwise, all you're going to do is start posting ads, start posting things on your newsfeed that other gas installers are going to see and none of your potential customers. Do not take part in these like-for-like posts that will just disrupt what you do on a day-to-day basis and stop the distribution that you really need through Facebook. And there you have it. That's how you get yourself on Facebook and what you should do from day one to start building an audience. If you've got any questions, email baxi@experttrades.com and one of the team will be more than happy to help. Send us a link to your Facebook page. We'll give it a quick review for you. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.